Good morning, Fiona. Good morning. It's 6 a.m. in London. It's somewhat of a sunny day. The first thing I do when I wake up is I make my bed, I brush my teeth, and I hit the shower. I feel like taking a shower in the morning is the easiest way to wake up. I like my water scorching hot. That feels so much better after the shower, but I'm still half asleep. It doesn't matter how long I stay in there for. I'm gonna make myself a very strong and delicious matcha tea that's going to give me that extra kick in the butt that I need to wake up. Instead of drinking coffee in the morning, I drink matcha tea. This is ceremonial grade matcha, and it provides a less jittery, more sustained energy boost with no crash at the end. So a lot of energy for a very long time. Now that I am fully awake, I can do my morning skincare routine. The first thing I do is I wash my face with Mario Badescu Enzyme Cleansing Gel together with my Pore Supersonic brush. I have been using this brush for the last 3 years and I can't live without it. It basically takes away 99% of all the impurities in my face. It cleans my face better than anything else I have ever used, and at the same time it massages it, so it gets rid of all that morning puffiness that you usually have when you wake up in the mornings. After washing my face, I go in with the Aloe Toner, also from Mario Badescu. I love this formula because it's non-drying, it's alcohol-free, fragrance-free, and it's made specifically for sensitive skin types. Now I'm going to feed my skin and moisturize it. I like to mix this 2 serum, just 1 drop of Capture Youth Plump Filler by Dior. This has natural hyaluronic acid from fermented wheat, which helps hydrate and plump the skin. And I use Transderma O, which is an optimal booster serum to energize and give that very moist, even tone skin look. I let that absorb and dry up a little bit, and I apply Charlotte's Tillbury Magic Cream. This is going to be the base of my makeup. I don't really have a consistent dress sense for work. I can be in a hoodie or a crisp white dress shirt, kind of de facto cool for London. It doesn't really matter what you're wearing as long as we can tell you've got style and you've made an effort. Certainly when you're an entrepreneur trying to build new businesses, it's all about the hustle of finding a great deal for your client, put that deal together that it makes sense for people to invest in and get everyone excited about it and try to get it up as quickly as possible. I really don't have a lot of time in the morning to think what I'm going to wear, so I always opt to wear things that are timeless, effortless, cool, and very comfortable. I love going to work. I love spending my day at the office. The people I collaborate with are my friends. When you collaborate, your friendship goes much deeper. We bounce around ideas all day. I only like to work with people and projects that I am very, very passionate about. The problem with collaboration is that people get very attached to ideas, and ideas are meant to let it flow. And if the idea works, great. And if it doesn't, then you move on to the next thing. There's really no negotiations, there's no games. It's just you want to do something together. Sounds great, let's do it. Of course, I make mistakes and I'm really proud of them. That's my only chance to learn and to grow. We have a certain amount of time in this planet, and I'm not going to waste any of it by dividing it between work and things that I enjoy. I'm going to make all of it something I enjoy.